My favorite part about Rec Fest is being able to see all the different clubs and different parts of the rec center, so you're able to get to experience and see all the different aspects of the rec that you may not know about as a student.
I get to meet so many people, and I get to include them in my club, and it's a social interactive thing. You get to meet so many people.
So great to see all the sports clubs, different organizations come together and all the students gather around. I mean, obviously there's a lot of free stuff, but it's really cool to see how everyone's staying fit on campus.
My favorite part of Rec Fest was being able to do a bunch of different games and activities, as well as being with my friends and making many new friends.
Campus rec has actually been a huge part of our lives. We both worked as personal trainers at the rec center. So for 3 years, personal training and fitness attendance. And it's actually one of the areas that me and Lisa actually got to go on a lot of our dates. So we're actually currently engaged, and some of our first dates were actually at the rec working out. So it definitely has a big place in our heart for us.